A flood begins with a trickle. Gonna be one hell of a storm. Truth is brewing, tempest stewing. Gonna be one massive swarm. Had enough of this bullshit. Trump is gonna save us all. Just when you fear your government, it ain't your government no more. Evil's free and walking here. Trump's gonna hunt them all. Time for the truth, time to come clean. Time to dismantle the machine. Trump ain't kidding, this is war, I'm not thinking anymore. Kicking asshole politicians out the door. Who owns the drug stocks that makes them rich? While the rest of us suffer, this is all bullshit. Who save lives with early intervention, but deciding who they promise, profit intention. Poverty farming pills make them rich, while the working class people get nothing but shit. Time for the truth, time to come clean. Time to dismantle the machine. How the fuck is your income 20 million and your paycheck from your politician's job is $174,000 a year? Tell me how, tell me how. Barely living day to day, these assholes are stealing my pay. Makes me sick to my stomach. Time for us to pray. Guardian angels, Trump's cabinet, shutting it down, bringing the war to the dirty politician whore. Time for the truth, time to come clean, time to dismantle the machine. The time to change, the time is now. I wanna do it someday, somehow.